Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and today we're gonna discuss about the nerve supply to the upper bone and the lower bone of jaw, means the maxilla and the mandible. So today we'll see about the nerve supply of these bones, and it is very important topic for first year BDS students to know the nerve supply, how nerve supplies the maxilla and the mandible bone, because in RCT, root canal treatment, okay, you have to know the proper nerve supplies, how nerve supplies all the teeth. Okay, so वेलकम टू डेंटल बाइट्स एंड चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा टॉपिक आज का.
Now we are using an app that is called Atlas. I will give a link in the description. You can download the app free and use this app. Okay, now we'll go and see where the trigeminal nerve is present and how its courses and branches are divided. Now we are seeing only the nervous system. Here you can see we are closing it and we are removing the dura mater of it. Here you can see the olfactory nerve, cranial nerve first and second cranial nerve optic, and here you can see the fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve. Okay, that is fourth troglia. Now you can see that is the ophthalmic branch of the fifth cranial nerve, and this is the trigeminal ganglion, and you can see the trigeminal nerve, that is fifth cranial nerve. Okay, and from this side you can see the trigeminal ganglion forms by the trigeminal nerve, and after the trigeminal ganglion it divides into three parts, that is ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular. Today we will discuss about the maxillary branch and the mandibular branch. So these are all about the trigeminal nerve.
So now you guys all know that all 12 pairs of cranial nerve, that is olfactory, optic, oculomotor, troglial and trigeminal, the fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve, and it divides into ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular. Today we will discuss about the maxillary and mandibular branch of the trigeminal nerve, cranial nerve fifth. At first we will discuss about the maxillary nerve. So here in this picture you can see guys, this is the trigeminal nerve, creates a trigeminal ganglion and divides into three parts, that is ophthalmic, that is maxillary and that is mandibular part. Okay, ophthalmic branch goes to ophthalmic region mainly in the eyelids, okay, and lacrimal glands, lacrimal sac, and this is the maxillary branch, supplies the maxilla or upper jaw. And today we will discuss about the maxillary nerve, and after crossing the foramen rotuntum it enters and creates the zygomatic nerve, and here you can see the zygomatic nerve. This is zygomatic nerve. It creates zygomatico-temporal and zygomatico-facial branch and enters through the inferior orbital fissure. Okay, and but the here you can see ophthalmic branch of the trigeminal nerve, it is going through the superior orbital fissure, but this is going to inferior orbital fissure and goes straight and divides into three parts after crossing the foramen. Okay, here you can see the three parts. One is palpebral part, one is nasal, and there is superior labial part. Okay, and another part is, you can see, this is the anterior superior alveolar nerve. These all three, 1 2 3, these all are superior alveolar nerve, and here you can see this is the interior superior alveolar. Here you can see this is the middle superior alveolar, and that is the posterior superior alveolar nerve. These are the main nerve that supplies the maxillary tooth. So mainly the superior alveolar nerve. Anterior superior alveolar supplies the mainly the central incisor, lateral incisor, canines. Okay, middle superior alveolar supplies the mainly the premolars, and posterior superior alveolar supplies the molars. So these are all the division of maxillary nerve, and now we'll go and discuss about the mandibular division. So here we discuss about maxilla, and this is the mandibular division. Yes, you can see that is the cranial nerve 5, trigeminal nerve, after olfactory, optic, oculomotor, then trigeminal. And trigeminal divides into three parts: ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular. At first we discuss about the maxillary, now we will discuss about the mandibular division. This mandibular division also divides into three parts, that is main trunk, anterior trunk and the posterior trunk. Main trunks also divides into meningeal branch and nerve to medial pterygoid, and the anterior trunk also divides into sensory, and the motor sensory is buccal, and the motor supplies us masseteric, nerve to masseter muscle and deep temporal muscle and lateral pterygoid muscle. So as muscles, so these are respected to the nerve supplies. And then the posterior trunk, you can see there are three divisions: auriculotemporal, lingual and inferior alveolar. Today we will just see the diagrammatic pictures of this nerve supply, okay, of the mandibular division of it to the trigeminal nerve. Here you can see, guys, this is the mandible bone, okay, and this is the trigeminal nerve. After crossing the foramen ovale, you can see the trigeminal nerve, okay, and mandibular division of it. And at first you have to see, here you can see that main trunk, meningeal and nerve to medial pterygoid. Here you can see this is the meningeal branch and medial pterygoid. This is the part of main trunk, meningeal and medial pterygoid. So this is meningeal and this is the medial pterygoid. Then you can see anterior sensory is buccal. Here is a part, you can see this is the buccal nerve, that is sensory, and the another three lateral pterygoid, deep temporal and masseters, these are the motor supply. Here you can see motor supply, masseteric, deep temporal and lateral pterygoid. And the another three posterior trunk, you can see auriculotemporal, lingual and inferior alveolar. So here you can see inferior alveolar, auriculotemporal, and the last is lingual. This is the lingual supply. Here you can see the lingual nerve is coming mainly the inferior side of the lingual, okay. This is the tongue. Here it supplies the muscles, genioglossus, hyoglossus, palatoglossals. Here you can see the inferior alveolar nerve, the posterior division mandibular, comes here and divides and supplies the all the tooth of the mandible, okay. Here you can see, and comes to the as a mental branch. Here you can see it also divides into mylohyoid, nerve to mylohyoid, and here you can see the hyoid bone. This is the mylohyoid muscles, and here you can see anterior belly of digastric. So that supplies supplied by inferior alveolar nerve. So these are all divisions of the mandibular nerve, guys. Here you can see the list: main trunk, anterior trunk and the posterior trunk. Once again we will revise. This is main trunk, meningeal branch and medial pterygoid. Then we go for the anterior trunk. Anterior trunk, one is sensory, that is buccal. Another three are motors, that are lateral pterygoid, temporal and masseter, okay. And last posterior trunk, that's it, auriculotemporal, lingual and inferior alveolar. Inferior alveolar also divides into mental branch and mylohyoid, nerve to mylohyoid branch, which supplies the mylohyoid muscles and the anterior belly of digastrics. Here you can see the lingual nerve supplies the genioglossus muscles, the muscles of tongues, etc. Okay, guys, so this is everything all about nerve supply of the maxilla and the mandible. Thank you, guys. See you again. Goodbye.